Every child is a unique flower, and together they make this world a beautiful garden. Dear children, do you know the reason behind celebrating Children's Day? Children's Day, also named as Bal Divas, is celebrated on 14 November as the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The ultimate reason behind the celebration is his love and passion towards children. He had worked passionately towards the betterment of children.
सतगुरु नानक प्रगट्या मिट्टी धुंध जग चानन होया जोकर सूरज निकलिया तारे छपे अंधेर पलोआ. Along with Children's Day, we are going to cherish the childhood memories of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He is the founder of Sikhism and is the first of 10 Sikh Gurus. He traveled to places far and wide, teaching people the message of one God who dwells in every one of God's creation and constitute the eternal truth. On the celebration of his birthday, let's remember his 3 principles. Kirat karo, it means honest living. Naam japo means meditation of God. Van chako means share with the needy people. सुनी पुकार दातार प्रभु गुरु नानक जग में पठाया चरण धोए रहरास कर चरना मित सिखा पिलाया कलयुग वापे तारया सतनाम पढ़ मंत्र सुनाया. Nothing can be more rewarding than starting the day with blessings of God Almighty. It is said that prayers can bring miracles. So while praying, it is better to have a heart without words than to have words without heart. The innocent and pure hearts of GNFPS family are here with us to recite beautiful Shabad, Ik Baba Akal Roop. Let's all cover our heads and fold our hands to take the blessings of the Almighty. I humbly request all not to clap after the recitation of Shabad.
An elegant beginning of the day, students have made the atmosphere so pious, resulting into feeling of joyful calmness. Now, I would like to invite Kashish Arora of Class Plus One Arts to present a speech on Children's Day.
I, Kashish Arora from Plus One Arts, would like to deliver a speech on Children's Day. The mid of November is very special occasion for us. Every year on 14th of November, we celebrate Children's Day because it's the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His bond and fondness with children is legendary. Celebrating his birthday as Children's Day in schools, home, educational institutes and in families is our way of honoring his values and vision of Chacha Nehru. The eagerness and ambitions of the children of our country make us to manage and to achieve the glory that Indian society deserves.
I would like to come near to you people. I want to be more, informal than a formal principle. So today, as you know, that we are celebrating the Children's Day, and even we are in the memory of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji also, we are celebrating Guru Purab. Both we have joined this event because I believe a child is the form which shows what a child will become in the future. Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji himself shown the deeds. It showed that he would be the Mahapurush of the universe. From the childhood he was very, he was so dedicated, so donated, whatever the money, he was not a materialistic child. He used to get something from the parents, he loved to donate. I just read a story somewhere I would like to share with you, that Guru Nanak Dev Ji got a money from his father to get something for the shop. But what he did, he took that money and spent on langar. And it was told that Sikh people are having enough money because at that time of the Guru of Sikhism would have donated rupees 1. If you would have donated rupees 100, then there will be no shortage of money. So we should understand the value of donation, sharing, being given by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Sharing was taught. Langar is the system being started by Guru Nanak Dev Ji is almost in the modern time you can say sharing. Sharing your wealth with others. Donate what you have extra. At least 10% of your income. You will get the blessings. So my dear children, on the Children's Day, we should remember all these learnings. Second, why we are celebrating this sports day or sports meet? Because I believe that only study, no play makes a child unhappy. Am I right? All got happy. Yes, I know that. But due to certain protocols which we have to follow for this COVID-19, we are not allowed you to go into the grounds. So we have planned today a small activity under the Fit India movement. I would have sent a message through the teachers that all child should download the app of Fit India app. Have you downloaded? Yes, how many of you have downloaded? Just raise the hand. Good. Those who have not done, please ask to get this Fit India Movement app. Over there you will get lots of videos, directions, instructions, how to make your life healthy or to change your lifestyle. You know that the last year we have seen a very crucial, you can say a painful scenario at the time of COVID-19. We have seen many people left this world due to unhealthy habits, or somehow they were not having a good immunity. Then suddenly at every family start working on immunity system. Your mother making kada at home. It was advised not to eat fast food at the time. We were not eating anything from outside. So this was the time we had adopted a different lifestyle. But the time has come again when there is a leniency into the protocols of COVID-19. So I would request, please ensure before you eat something which is not good for your health, and keep a healthy lifestyle. Playing is a good healthy lifestyle for a child. I know still there is a restriction, but at home also you can play certain games, you can play. Healthy mind can be created, but not like a games which you are playing on the mobiles. That is not good. I came to know there was a child in our school, I'm now going to name the child, who played Free Fire, I think is a game name, Free Fire game, and he spent around 21,000 rupees of the parents on that game. So I would request, do not indulge yourself into this kind of e-games. Come to the physical game. You can play games at your home with your parents itself. Not to this, because this is a very unhealthy practice. So all the best to all the teachers. I will congratulate all of you. So all the best. And I declare the sports meet open. Thank you very much.
Ma'am. Yes, students, as you know that we are having sports day today. Different periods are allotted to different classes. Fifth class is having hurdle race. So class 1 and 2 would perform first for 50 meters race and frog race. Yeah, well done.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। बावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के पड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितनों पे करना। आज लोगों की बारी, जो कहे कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा, उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। हर भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल। दिखाने का मौका जब भी किस्मत देती है, गिन के तैयारी के दिन तुझको मोहलत देती है। मांगती है लागत में तुझसे हर बूंद पसीना, पर मुनाफा बदले में ये जान ले बेहद देती है। परिणाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल। मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थपथपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। सावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल,
And artful.